everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Carlo G. Valdez from BSED Math 1A at Kapalong College of Agriculture, Sciences and Technology. So in this video, I will teach you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube in easy way. But before we go through in solving this Rubik's Cube, we need to know first its part, the term, the main algorithm, and the stages in solving this Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube has three main parts, namely center, edge, and corner. Center has one color. There are 6 center in a Rubik's Cube. Edge, there are 2 colors, and there are 12 edges in a Rubik's Cube. And the corner. Corner has 3 colors. There are 8 corners in a Rubik's Cube. And these are the Rubik's Cube term. R, R prime, L, L prime, U, U prime, F, F prime, D, D prime, and B, B prime. R stands for right, L left, U up, F front, D down, B back, and apostrophe stands for prime. Application of terms. R, 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 R. R prime, R prime, R prime. L, 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 L prime, L prime, L prime. U, U, U. U prime, U prime, U prime. F, 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 F. F prime, F prime, F prime. D, D, D prime, D prime, D prime. B, 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 B prime, B prime, B prime. This are the 2 main algorithms. So write algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. Taas, tulak, baba, hila. Taas, tulak, baba, hila. And left algorithm. L prime, U prime, L, U. Taas, tulak, baba, hila. Taas, tulak, baba, hila. There are 7 stages in solving Rubik's Cube. The white cross, the bottom corner, the middle layer, the yellow cross, the top corner, the yellow layer, and the final stage. Shuffle the Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube. Then choose your base. We'll choose white as my base. Number 1. Solve the white cross in the bottom. First is we need to form a daisy on top. This is very easy and does not require any algorithm to solve. Try it with yourself. After, rotate the top layer with the daisy aligned with the color to the edge of the center, just like this. Find it just like this. Then rotate 180 degrees. Do the same to the remaining white. So, this is how to solve the white cross in the bottom. Number 2. Solve the 4 corner pieces on the bottom. Find a piece of corner with white color. So, here, white color. Then, do right algorithm until the corner are in the right position. Nice. Then green and red, so it should be in the between the two color, then do right algorithm until this white will be in the bottom. And solve. Then find another white. Here white, it should be in, so in orange and green, and orange and green. So right algorithm. Blue, yeah. And find another algorithm. Then at the end of the stage, you should have a little T upside down. Here, T. Here. Number 3, solve the 4 edge pieces in the middle. And so we need to solve this for middle. Find an edge on the top without yellow color. Hanap tayo ng walang yellow. So ito, green, and then rotate the color until the edge and the center are the same color. Then try to see if the edge will be going to the right or to the left. If the edge will be going to the right, do U, then algorithm, one right algorithm, then turn the Rubik's Cube to the left 90 degrees, then do one left algorithm. But if the edge will be going to the left, do U prime, then one left algorithm, then turn the Rubik's Cube to the right 90 degrees, then do one right algorithm. Like this. Since orange will be going to the right, then do U, one right algorithm, then turn the Rubik's Cube to the left, then do one left algorithm. And then find another edge that does not contain yellow. Here, green and red. Since red is at the left side, so this edge will be going to the left. Then do U prime, left algorithm, turn the Rubik's Cube to the right 90 degrees, then do one right algorithm. Then do the same with the remaining edges until the second layer was solved. Then our second layer was solved. Number 4, solve the yellow edges on top. First, make a yellow cross. There are 3 possible forms in this stage. Yellow center, only yellow are in the center. 3 o'clock position and horizontal position. If you have only yellow, or ito lang ang yellow dito, ito ibang kulay, do F, then one right algorithm, then F prime. If we have 9 o'clock position, or yellow, and ito hindi yellow, do F, then 2 right algorithm, then F prime. If we have yellow horizontal, pag ganyan, tatlo, do F, 1 right algorithm, then F prime. Like this. So, here's how you do it. Since we have horizontal position, F, let's do F, right algorithm 1, then F prime. Now we have a cross, a yellow cross. Number 5, solve the 4 corner on the top layer. So first we need to arrange the corner in oriented position. Oriented position. What is oriented position? Just like this. The corner contains red, yellow, green, and it is between in the same color. Red, yellow, green. It means this corner are oriented. You need to find 2 oriented corner. So red, blue, yellow, it is not oriented. And here, it is not oriented. Here, and it is not oriented. Or rotate lang. Kailangan rotate lang natin to find another two oriented position. So, like this. It is oriented orange, green, yellow oriented. Orange, blue oriented. And it is not oriented and it is not oriented. There are two possible form in this stage. One vertical oriented and diagonal oriented. What is vertical oriented? Vertical oriented are these two are oriented or these two are oriented. If diagonal oriented, these two oriented or these two are oriented. If you have a vertical oriented, face the two oriented corner. Then do right algorithm 3 times. Then turn the Rubik's Cube to the left, then left algorithm. If you have a diagonal oriented, do the same process in any face. To make a vertical oriented. Like this, we have a vertical oriented. So it means that this should 2 will face to the left. Then do right algorithm twice. Then turn to the left, Rubik's Cube, then left algorithm 3 times. And now, then check if all are oriented. Orange, green, yellow oriented. Blue, orange, yellow oriented. Blue, red, yellow oriented. Red, green, yellow oriented. Then it's if all these edges are oriented, it's time for us to flip this entire Rubik's Cube. The white will be our top and the yellow will be on cups. Then solve the yellow corner here. Let's solve this. This yellow will be put in this and this yellow will be put here. Then do right algorithm in the same phase. Wag nating ikot-ikutin yung ating cube natin. As right algorithm until the yellow will be at the bottom. And now, then rotate only this layer in finding unsolved corner. Then same right algorithm. And now all yellow are solved. Then it's time to flip it back. Then turn the top layer to solve the all. And now all the corners are solved. Number 7, the final stage. Solve the edge of the top layer. There are 2 possible forms in this stage. 3 unsolved edge or 4 unsolved edge. If you have 4 unsolved edge, do 1 right algorithm, 1 left algorithm, 5 times right algorithm, and 5 times left algorithm in any phase. Kahit saan ka dito. If these edge are not solved. But if you have 3 unsolved edge and 1 is solved like this, there are 3 unsolved and 1 phase. Do the same process, but here in this phase. Then do this set 1 to 3 times until the Rubik's Cube will be solved. Then let's do it. 1 right algorithm, left algorithm, 5 times right algorithm, then 5 times left algorithm. And now, date. And our Rubik's Cube are solved. Solved.